our junior developer working really hard to finish his product in time, and he has a race against the time because he knows that his manager Susu gonna call him for the status in very short time. And in his mind he is really worried because some exception is causing him to not to complete his work. And in a minute his manager Sudarshan asked him for the status. Worried Joe don't know what to say, and he was like, "Sir, product is almost finished, but there is some exception which is causing me to not to show the proper output." And worried Joe said, like, "Give me some time, sir. I would like to understand about this number format exception so that I can resolve this. Let's help the poor man how this number format exception will come into picture." Okay, so here I have a string called num1 which is having some value, let's say 12. Okay, now I wanted to extract value out of the string. What I can do is I can simply use this method called integer dot pass int and pass your integer, sorry, your string, and let's try to print it so that we'll understand whether that string is converted to number or not. Now you could see here it got converted properly, but when there is a characters, that means when there is a um, alphanumeric characters are there as part of your string, and that you are trying to convert into the integer, how it will get converted, because a is not a number, right? So that's how you ran into number format exception. Hope it's useful and informative.